Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of Papparoti Bun or coffee bun. This bun is super spongy and has got a crunchy coffee topping. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I am going to prepare the pillow soft bun. So these are the ingredients needed to prepare the bun. Take 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. To that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. This is active dry yeast and that's why I am adding directly into the flour mix. Give it a mix until everything combines well. Add in half an egg. So the remaining half we will be using it for the coffee topping. I have taken 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk. If the milk is hot means our dough wouldn't rise, so it should be just lukewarm. Add in the milk little by little and continue mixing. So the quantity of milk might vary depending on the maida we take. It will take between half to 3/4 cup of milk. I have added total of 3/4 cup of milk and mixed it gently like this. This should be the consistency of our dough, friends. Well, the dough will be a little sticky only, so we have to adjust the quantity of milk accordingly. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll be adding the butter little by little and kneading it with hand blender. Use this attachment to knead the dough. So this is the secret of spongy bun, friends. We have to knead it nicely and add in butter little by little. If you do not have hand blender means you have to mix it nicely with hand. The dough has combined and looks fluffy, friends. The bun dough is ready and we have to leave it for 1.5 hours. Cover it and leave it for 1.5 hours. Well, the proofing time completely depends on the country where you reside. If you are in cold country means it will take more time. Look at the dough after 1.5 hours. The dough has risen perfectly. Look at the texture of the dough, friends. Now we have to knead the dough for 5 minutes. The dough has to be sticky in order to get that spongy texture. Add in little flour and knead it nicely like this. I'm dividing the dough into 5 equal parts. We'll be able to make 5 papparoti out of 1.5 cups of maida. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Make the dough into ball shape like this. This adds layers within the bun. Here I have taken cold butter and diced it. Each cubes will weigh around 10 grams. Take the bun dough and I'm going to stuff it with the butter. The butter which we're using should be cold. Stuff it and seal it nicely and make it into a ball shape. Flatten the ball slightly like this. I'm stuffing the rest of the dough with the butter. The bun dough is ready and we have to cover it and leave it for another 30 minutes. I have placed the dough on a baking tray, lined it with butter sheet. I have greased the butter sheet as well so that it doesn't stick. Meanwhile, let's prepare the coffee topping. Take 30 grams of soft unsalted butter and mix it. Add in 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. Take the exact measurement of coffee topping as I have mentioned. I am adding in half an egg which I have reserved it earlier. All the ingredients quantity is very important so that you'll get that crunchy topping. I have prepared coffee decoction with 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 3/4 tablespoon of hot water. This coffee decoction measurement is very important, friends. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add in 4 tablespoons of maida and half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Add in little by little and mix it so that everything combines well. Our coffee topping is ready now, so this should be the consistency of the coffee topping. I have taken this in a piping bag. After half an hour of proofing, you could see the bun has risen. Gently pipe in the coffee topping like this. This coffee topping is the specialty of this coffee bun, friends. Our beautiful coffee buns are ready and it's time to bake now. I bake these buns for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Wow, look at it, friends. Our beautiful papparoti or coffee bun is ready now. If you're a coffee lover, this papparoti bun is for you. You have to consume this bun on the same day, friends. My house is filled with the aroma of coffee and this is my recent favorite, friends. I'll show how spongy it looks inside. Look at it, friends. The coffee bun has crunchy outside and it's super spongy inside. This tastes even more delicious with a cup of coffee. Do try this papparoti bun and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel if you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.